Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When using JavaScript to create new elements or nodes, there are several steps that need to be followed. Firstly, you must create the new element and then append it to an existing element. The first step is to use the createElement property. The following code is used to create a new paragraph element. Var para equals document.createElement, parenthesis, quote, p, close quote, close parenthesis, semicolon. The next step, if your intention is to add text to your paragraph, is to create a text node using the createTextNode property. The code to create a text node is var node equals document.createTextNode, parenthesis, quote, this creates a text node for your paragraph, period, close quote, close parenthesis, semicolon. To append the text node to the newly created paragraph element, you must use the appendChild property. The code to do this is para.appendChild, parenthesis, node, close parenthesis, semicolon. Next, you need to append the new element you created to an existing element. The code to find the existing element is var element equals document.getElementById, parenthesis, quote, test div, close quote, close parenthesis, semicolon. The final step is to append the new element to the existing element. To do this, you would use element.appendChild, parenthesis, para, close parenthesis, semicolon. The following code combines the previous examples into a functioning script and will place the new paragraph element after the existing paragraphs. So we have the div tag with an ID of test div, paragraph with an ID of p1, paragraph 2 with an ID of p2, close div tag, the script tag, var para equals document.createElement, parenthesis, quote, p, close quote, close parenthesis, semicolon, var node equals document.createTextNode, parenthesis, quote, this is a newly created paragraph, period, close quote, close parenthesis, semicolon, para.appendChild, parenthesis, node, close parentheses, semicolon, var element equals document.getElementById, parenthesis, quote, test div, close quote, close parentheses, semicolon, element.appendChild, parenthesis, para, close parentheses, semicolon, and the close script tag. This code will insert our new paragraph, para, after the paragraph with an ID of p2. You can also create new elements by using the insertBefore method. The first example showed how to create a new element to follow other elements. Using the insertBefore method allows you to put the newly created element before an existing element. The following sample code shows how to implement the insertBefore method. The only difference from the first example are the last two lines of code, which tell the browser to insert the new element before the existing elements. So we have our first code, and then the two new lines, var child equals document.getElementById, parenthesis, quote, p1, close quote, close parenthesis, semicolon. And this tells the browser that p1 is the entity we want to insert before. Element.insertBefore, parenthesis, para, comma, child, close parenthesis, semicolon, and the close script tag. And this will insert our new text node and paragraph element before the paragraph with an ID of P1.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.